Alrighty, guys. So we're heading into a big week for SoFi stock, and we have to break down the charts, what I'm looking to do, and kind of my game plan for this week. But first, guys, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe and get your free stocks from Moomoo. Listen up. Once you open up your account and deposit at least $100, you get 5 free stocks, and deposit at least $1,000 into your account, you get 10 more free stocks. And overall, your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So guys, get on the deal. Use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. Let's get right into the video. So man, SoFi, as you guys know at this point, everybody and their grandma knows, has been on fire. And on Friday, it went up even more, hitting another fresh high. Not an all-time high, but a multi-year high. On Friday, we hit $16.61 at about 11 a.m. on the East Coast after opening up at about $16.35 and initially falling to $16.17. So on Friday, initially, when the markets opened, SoFi did take a beating, but then we got that nice recovery rally to a fresh high of, again, $16.61. Then we sold off a bit and consolidated into closing at about $16.40. You guys see it right here. So SoFi had a very good Friday, very strong Friday in the midst of a green day for the stock market. I mean, guys, if you didn't know, the Russell went up 0.3% on Friday. S&P up 0.6%, which, by the way, the S&P hit an all-time high. The Russell, or excuse me, the QQQ NASDAQ 100 went up almost 1%, which that is almost at all-time highs. And the Dow actually hit an all-time high on Friday, up 0.4%, hitting over 45,000 points, which is a huge milestone for the Dow Jones. So SoFi is heading into this week at another high. So you guys can see we're heading into this brand new week, breaking out overall on this 5-day, 5-minute. Because look, if I extend this trend line to the right, we weren't really breaking out on Friday. Well, obviously, in the grand scheme of things, we're uptrending, we're breaking out. But on this 5-day, 5-minute, we were still struggling at about $16 heading into Friday, which we gapped right out of it. We gapped out of the highs from Monday. On Friday we did. And again, we broke to $16.61. And look at this. We gapped up in the pre-market. We then pulled down at open. Mind you, where do we pull down to at open? Do you guys see this on the intraday? We pulled down to $16.17. Buyers came in there at open on Friday. And look, what was the high for Monday? Literally right around $16.17. So we pulled down to that high for Monday. On Friday, we held it on the dot. Buyers came in, we popped, and then we consolidated into close well above the highs from the entire week last week on Friday. That is one heck of a way to wrap up last week and to head into a brand new week, right? Brand new month for that matter. Happy December, guys, by the way. Today's December 1st. Hope you guys had a great November, had a great Thanksgiving. Hope you're having a great holiday season so far. Cheers, by the way. Thanks for tuning in. We're almost at 45,000 subscribers, by the way, and I think still 75% of you guys watching this video, watching my videos in general, 75% of you guys are not subscribed. So if that's you, make sure to subscribe. You got to do it, guys. We're trying to get to 50,000 subs before the end of this year. I don't know if it's possible, but we're going to, pedal to the metal. We're going to push like animals for the next 30 days here, guys. So look, SoFi heading into this week, very strong. Bulls are taking over again. Obviously, they've been taking over for quite some time. But yeah, we're breaking out, heading into this week on the 30-minute chart. We look phenomenal. We're above the moving averages. We have a golden cross. We've had a golden cross on this time frame since the 18th of November. So that is well in effect right now. On the 20-day chart, we're at a fresh high, obviously. And now we're officially up, it looks like, from November. So let me see. Wait a second. Now that November's done, how much roughly did SoFi go up in November? So it looks like we started off the month at about $10.75, and we closed the month at $16.40. So we went up around 52% in November, which is like mind-blowing. Is this even real life? What the heck's going on, man, right? So 51% in the month of November. Don't even get me started on how much we're up from the lows earlier this year. Let me see. 586 we hit then, 1640. So we're up 175% off the lows. Yeah, I think this thing is just getting started. Honestly, I really do. So heading into this week, guys, you can argue we're overbought, we're due for a pullback, yada, yada, yada. You can argue that all day. But Friday's price action, the fact that we broke out like we covered in this video, that leads me to believe there could be more upside in the very short term. So I wouldn't be surprised if we saw a $17 SoFi this week based on the pop on Friday. Heck, I wouldn't even be surprised if we saw that on Monday, tomorrow. Maybe in the very short term, we get that 18 or maybe not 18, but $17 SoFi. Maybe it happens in the short term. But either way, I'm in it for the ride. I'm here for the ride. I'm buckled up, guys. I am pumped up. I'm in at $6.80. You guys know that. I've been saying that for months here on the channel. That's nothing new. It's not like one day, oh, my average cost is $4. The next day it's $8. Now it's $7. I mean, it's been $6.80 for quite some time because I've been holding it for a while. I actually haven't bought more SoFi in a little bit here. But I'm not selling either. I'm selling. I'd sell if it hit like $50, for example. Maybe if it hit $50 this week, I would sell. But for now, guys, I'm not selling. I'm not buying more. I'm just holding on to my position. And I'm curious kind of where you guys are at heading into this week. It's going to be an interesting one. It's definitely in risky territory as a trade. You got to be mindful of that. You got to be careful of trading this thing at these levels. But like I said, we are breaking out as of Friday again. So if you're nimble, if you get in and out, if you're a good trader, you could make some money on this in the short term. And obviously longer term, I think there is a lot more potential for SoFi overall. So what do you guys think? Seriously, I'm curious kind of where your head's at. So let me know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to run the likes up. Make sure to subscribe as well. Join the email list. It's free. Literally tomorrow, I'm sending out an email to over 1,600 people. I'm sending out my top 3 stocks every Monday to my email list, guys, and it's free. So use the link in the description box, also in the comment section, and you might as well grab up your free stocks for a moo. Once you open up your account and deposit at least $100, you get 5 free stocks, and overall your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY, and if you deposit at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks. So guys, you get a bunch of free stocks, bunch of cash, bunch of money. So use that link down below or go to stocksurfs.com/moo. Get on this deal, guys. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you all in the next video.